Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over today is real life testimonies from people who have used the SalesFlow feature on the Nowsite platform and the results that they're getting, if there's good or bad. So you're going to see their real, genuine testimonies. So with that, we're going to have Cheryl Coco introduce these people and actually show you, let them speak a little bit more about it. So I'm not going to say any more. I'm going to pass over to her, and here we go.
All right, welcome everybody. I have with me today business owner Eric Sanchez. Thank you, Eric, for being here. Give everybody a wave.
What's up?
Hello. Make sure that you comment below and let Eric and I know that you're here, whether you're watching us live or on the recording. We're super excited to have you. Eric Sanchez is a business owner in Texas, and he wants to share with you how SalesFlow is helping his business as well as the unlimited leads. So let's talk about SalesFlow first. Or Eric, let us know.
So the SalesFlow, it's not I'll call it a software, right? But it's definitely helped my business in the sense that I'm looking for business owners that are looking to get more presence on Google through business Google reviews and stuff like that. So the SalesFlow allows me to hone in on local businesses here in El Paso, Texas, and it gives me an opportunity to actually go to their business. And the cool thing about it is that I eliminate the middleman. I eliminate having to speak with the secretary or the person that's not in charge of marketing. So for me to find targeted prospects that are business owners, it's definitely been way more helpful. And the fact that they're local allows me to go to their place of business and be like, hey, you know me because we follow each other on social media. You see my posts, you know what I do. So I'm already like one step in the door. And I think that alone has helped me and my business to succeed that much more. So
I love your unique perspective here that you offer, Eric, because we're talking about, somebody who is even going into businesses or they have to be local. People often ask, will this work for my specific business? Will it work if I have insurance? Will it work if I do credit repair? Will it work if I do crypto? Will it work if I need, to find specific people for your business? The answer is yes. But I think it's great for people to hear, hey, I am a business owner. And the way that you kind of take people from this online to offline is really cool. I like that.
Yeah, definitely. The other cool thing too is that with SalesFlow, there's a tracking link that you could use. And that tracking link is like a godsend. It's so cool because I know people are going to see or watch a video when I follow up with them.
Yeah.
And those are the ones that I'm targeting. Like if you're not going to give me like a second of your day to click a link, then you're probably not my ideal customer. Right. But if you took the time to click a link and watch a quick short 2-minute video of what I have to offer for your business, I think it is amazing. And the fact that I know that you clicked on that link, I think is even a lot more better. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna put this guy on blast. I just got a message here saying that where is it here? It says just accepted your invite. So this was somebody that's on LinkedIn that's local here in El Paso, and I get these like constantly. I think it's so cool. Like sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, what do I do now? Right. But the SalesFlow, the Magenta Road, as we call it, it's so simple. Just I think it's like 4 clicks, right?
Yeah.
It makes life as a business owner that much more simpler, and it is truly amazing how many. You think about it, leads. How many leads can you get in a day? On average, without SalesFlow, I was averaging, I don't know, maybe 3, 5. It wasn't a significant amount.
Yeah.
But with unlimited, I'm going through like At least, I mean, at least my goal is to get at least 100 a day. That's my goal. So out of those 100, and again, it brings down to that numbers game, right? You have 100, maybe 10 of them will respond, but those two that respond and are willing to talk with you, I think it's amazing.
It is amazing. I think people are wondering, wow, you can connect with that many people using SalesFlow. You're like holding the phone up. I think it's so funny how we can be on a training or somebody's here and it actually happens. Like you're like, oh, look, somebody just connected with me, or, oh, look, viewed my link, right? But the speed in which you can do it, right? Like how long does it really take you to kind of go through maybe 20 or 30 people in SalesFlow?
So I did the math, and if I'm averaging 3 a minute, over 30 minutes, I'm doing, I'm really bad at math.
90. It's okay, I got you.
I see all these numbers and I'm like, that's pretty fast.
That's pretty fast. Yeah.
I'd say at least 3 a minute I could do.
That's great.
Yeah.
You're really following that magenta. Right?
I really am. And then the fact that I can tweak the message for it to fit my business, I think is even a lot more cooler. Most people, they want to add their own style, their own flair to it, I guess you could say. But for the most part, when I see what they are online, because I'll do it on the computer, and then I'll before I continue the second step, I'll search them on Facebook and just to see a little bit more about them, and then I'll do the magenta load. So it's helped so much, honestly.
I love it. So tell us, unlimited leads. Should everybody have unlimited leads?
Everybody.
I mean, you're doing 90 and
everybody should have unlimited leads. Like I joke around with the people here in El Paso that even the burrito person that sells burritos on the the little stands that we have. Like, why would you not want to have more prospects to know about your business? Like,
right.
It just boggles my mind. There's so many people that would really benefit from this, and it's truly been a blessing for myself, for the business, for my family. So it's awesome.
It's great to hear, Eric. Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing your unique perspective to SalesFlow and sharing it with everybody, from taking people who are online to really kind of getting to know them and being local in your area for your specific business, and then being able to kind of go in and speak with them is huge. I think that was great that you shared that value with others, and how fast and how easy it is, and how it's helped build and grow your business. So thank you, Eric. I appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye, Eric.
Bye-bye.
And we're back, and you just heard it from the mouth of the people. So with that, I mean, it's great that people are getting results. I'm getting results. A lot of other people are getting results. And that's just one of many people who are having success with this platform of SalesFlow on the Nowsite platform. So I can't wait for you to get going. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment in the section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Or you can also text me or call me. My number's in the description below. Also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, and you like what you saw, even if you didn't like what you saw, but you think that it has some value to it, go ahead and hit that big red button below. Right next to it is a little bell. Hit that bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one, and you might want to check out this one. So with that, guys, if you want to get started, go ahead, and there's a link on the description, or the comments actually, and the description. You can get started there. If you have more questions, feel free. If not, we can get you on a demo, or so you can see it live in person too. Just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. This is all about making sure that you're successful with your business, or whoever is watching this is successful with their business, so you can take it to the next level. So with that, guys, we're going to end this. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.